Today's just a fine mist rain. It's very cloudy. I'm not going outside because it's wet. And thunder is rolling in a distance. This is what the sky looks like. Whoop! That was lightning. Ooh, I hope I caught that. Here comes the thunder. That is the rain. And you just heard the thunder. I'm not sure if you saw the lightning. It came from nowhere. I'm like inside. But this is the weather we have in today. See the sky? It is all cloudy. You can't see the sky, it's just clouds. And the rain is just pouring. See the rain? This is the rain right here. So this is what today is like. I am thankful for the rain because it fills up the pool for me. I am thankful for the rain because it puts water into the lake. As you can see, the wind is blowing a little also. I am thankful for the rain because it helps the trees grow. And I'm thankful for the rain because everybody needs water. This is thunder rolling. Hopefully you can hear it. This is the rain chain. It takes the water from the gutters and bring it down. Can you see it? So it falls into the grass, not on the concrete pavement. Now the rain is coming down stronger. Now it's coming down really hard. The reflection out by the lake is a salt candle I have burning inside, and the reflection is on the glass and it looked like it's outside. Isn't that interesting? It's not outside. This is cute. Let me show you the salt lamp. This is it right here inside. But the reflection on the glass make it look like it's outside. I'm showing you more rain and thunder. The rain just got really strong right now. And that's thunder you just heard. That was a little lightning a little while ago. The nice little rain I just told you about just get heavier. See this? It's coming down so fast from the roof. It's overflowing the gutters. Take a look. It's overflowing the gutters right now as we speak. This is the gutter, you see? The rain is so fast and heavy. It's overflowing it. From the little sprinkle, ooh, that's more lightning. From the little sprinkle to this overflowing gutter.